Hey, don't do this at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to the farm. It's Brad and Owen with Batchelder Family Farms. Sorry it's been a while. Just haven't kept up with doing the videos as well as I should, but today we're gonna feed the cows, the bison, some of the animals up here around the barn, and do some projects and show you what we have coming up with some fencing and expanding our fencing and pasture area for our bison. So stick around. All right. Look, Owen, Mama's out there working hard cleaning up weeds, and we're in here in this nice warm tractor. Here is some post for one of the projects we have coming up. We're gonna put some fence line, some barbed wire fence, and offset it with hot wire. And I'm gonna have to set like 18 H-brace posts, corner posts and H-braces. So it's gonna be a fun time. Hey, you see any cows?
No.
Where are those cows?
Oh,
there they are. Hey, you two. Make sure we pull all the net wrap off so they do not digest it. So this is a bale that we recently cut and raked and baled. Tell this late in the season grass, especially with the drought, the hay is a lot thinner and it doesn't wrap as well, so anytime we unwrap them it comes undone. Hey girls, everybody's looking okay. See if we can unroll it and try to spread it out a little bit. It's getting cold this weekend, so they'll eat most all of it, and then what they don't eat they can lay on. And that's not going to work out. Well, at least we got a little bit of it spread. Yeah. Oh, keep it straight. Go the other way. Whoop. There you go. You don't want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it. Watch where you're going. Showing you a little bit of the layout of where we're going to put our pipe fence. Here's the area where the bison are right now. And it goes all the way down. And here's the end. And just past that, probably 40 yards, we have an electric fence right now that we'd use for the cattle. So we're going to take that down, put up pipe fence. And then this whole area, just on the other side, you can kind of see where the trees are over there. And then where the fence is now is all going to be pipe fence. It's going to be the first area you can hear Buck and the chickens and Hope all making noises behind me. But we're going to come down all the way, almost all the way down our driveway On this side of the barn, we've got some work to do. Got to move all of this out of here. The piping is going to go right up almost next to the barn, just enough room for us to walk through between the barn and the fence. That way the animals have cover when it's really cold. Even though bison love that kind of weather, it'll still be nice for them. It rains, something like that, for them to get out of it. But you can see all the way down to where this little covered lean-to that we don't use for anything right now is. The fencing will come to about our sign right there, all the way back up to me. And this is the first area that we are going to completely fence in and let the bison out onto before we work on the rest of the property. It's gonna take some time, but it's gonna be a very nice area, plenty of shade. We've got a couple water hydrants here, and then we've got a covering from the barn. So it's going to be a little bit, but that's where we're getting started.
Good?
Yep. That get it?
Bubbles. Bush.
Hey, don't do this at home. What are you doing, Phyllis? I was waiting for lunch. Come on, Brick, you want some milk?
Yeah, getting that slop. Taste of it now.
Well, come here, Spike. Come on. It's the first time they've ever had milk. Is that good stuff, dude? All right. You guys like butter? Brick does. Oh. You're going to have some explaining to do at your next doctor's appointment, Brick. Another project able to complete today is the guttering here on the back of the chicken coop. Have had this chicken coop for quite a while now and have always intended to put guttering on it and just have it. So with Cody's help, we got the guttering here on the back side into a homemade makeshift downspout, and then down into a container here to hold water. That way we can start watering our animals down here with rainwater instead of paying for it all the time. Of course, we have to have rain for that to work. So looks good. Excited about it. Didn't take too long, and it should hopefully provide us a lot of water in the months ahead. We've added some ducks since the last time we've done chores. We now are the proud owner of 12 ducks. for some reason. It's mealworm time. Even Buck and Elsa and Hope eat them. Well, thanks for following along today. We've got quite a bit done. As you saw, my friend Cody Newman from the Newman Farmers over here helping out. Really appreciate that. We got the new bison sign, the new old bison sign. It's about 20 years old. Original sign that Peter Cole had made. And Jenna stained it and has prepped it to be outside. We got it hung up on the outside of the store. Got guttering off of our chicken coop and a waterer set up. Got all the chores done, fed hay to the bison and the cows. Lots of help from Owen. So it was a good day. It was a long day. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow us along. Give us a thumbs up. And until next time, I hope everyone stays well, and we'll see you back here real soon.